Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we discuss on cucumber planting. Cucumbers are refreshing and versatile vegetables that are a staple in many home gardens. Whether you enjoy the fresh and in salads, pickles or used in various dishes, growing your own cucumbers can be a rewarding experience. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and techniques to ensure a successful cucumber planting journey and bountiful harvest. Number 1. Choosing the right variety. Start by selecting the cucumber variety that best suits your needs. Consider factors such as a size, flavor, diseases, resistance, and whether you prefer slicing or pickling cucumbers. Popular varieties include straight 8, Marketmore, and lemon. Number 2. Selecting a planting location. Cucumber thrive in a full sun, so choose a location in your garden that receive at least 6 or 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure the soil is well drained and rich in organic matter, as cucumber prefer a fertile growing environment. Number 3. Preparing the soil. Prepare the soil, loosening it and removing any weeds or debris. Incorporate compost or well-rooted manure to improve soil fertility and drainage. Cucumbers prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Number 4. Planting seeds or transplants. You can either plant cucumber seeds directly in the garden or start with transplants. If planting seeds, sow them 1 inch deep and 12 to 18 inch apart in row. If using transplant, carefully transplant them into the garden. Ensure the root ball is well covered. Number 5. Providing adequate water and nutrients. Cucumber have a high water requirements, so ensure they receive constant moisture throughout the growing season. Water deeply and avoid overheated watering to minimize leaf diseases. Regularly fertilize with a balanced vegetable fertilizer to provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Supporting and training vines. Many cucumber varieties are vining plants that benefit from support and training. Consider using trellis, cages, or stake to keep the vines off the ground. Improve air circulation and maximize space. Number 7. Monitoring and managing pests and diseases. Be vigilant for common cucumber pests such as aphid, cucumber beetles, and powdery mildew. Implement preventive measures like companion planting, regular inspection, and organic pest control method to minimize damage. By following these tips for cucumber planting, you shall be well on your way to successful harvest of fresh, homegrown cucumbers. From choosing the right variety to provide adequate sunlight, water, and nutrients, nurturing your cucumber plants will reward you with crispy and delicious cucumber. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and embark on a cucumber planting adventure that will bring joy to your table and satisfaction to your gardening journey. Happy planting! Thank you for watching.